Is it a good morning?
It's a good morning.
Don't you want to change the breaker plate first? I'll help you move the stage. Whatever. Out? Yep. What stage do you want? 4. Okay, go up. Whoa. Down a smidge. Try that. Good. Changing the boot to the 12-inch boot. We'll see how long it takes. That didn't take long.
Keep swinging that way. Good. Okay. Come back this way. Good. Yep.
Put that on a quacker, dude.
Put it on the quack, dude. Look how you get up there.
Gotta climb out it like a spider monkey.
I'm too old for this.
We pattern tiled this field this last fall, and now we gotta run a whole new main, and by golly, we're gonna make water run downhill, believe it or not. There's some mutual feelings about this whole project.
I'm not happy, Bob. Not happy.
That way. Yep. Bring her on back. That way. Whoa. Whoa. That way. Whoa. Right there. Whoa. Okay. Back a little more. Woo. I want to be free. I want to be free. A boom de ya, a boom de ya, a boom de ya, a boom de ya. What do you think, Bubbles? Hey, leave my nickname out of this. Yeah, that's what I thought. We're gonna stab this roll upside down. That way it slides real nice into the power feeder. We don't have to wrestle it. When you're doing dual wall, it makes it a lot easier if you stab your rolls upside down, and then the next one you stab the right way. Make putting the couplers on a whole lot better. Okay. See, we stab this from the right way, and you'll see how easy it makes putting couplers together. Oh, that's beautiful.
That's not very pretty.
You want the Sawzall? Oh, I gave it that hawk too. What did he say?
See on YouTube they're making a John Deere truck too, like or the cat trucks. It's clearly an F-150.
John Deere's
First production pickup. Imagine. Mom, we have to get John Deere trucks right away. Trucks. I mean, Green Star? We should sell crop insurance.
Exactly, something.
Like, what the heck? I didn't even see it go in. Yeah. Where'd you go? Where's my checkbook? Be about time to look for mushrooms.
I know. It's getting green.
Yep.
Nice work.
Oh, great.
You want to get closer or no? I can. underlay, underlay. Bada bing, bada boom. Don't you just love laying parallel mains? So much fun. We're doing 8-inch now, paralleling the 10-inch we just put in. Yeah, it is.
I'm not a fan.
No?
Go lift up on that end. Really, you don't have to take this, man.
I don't know. I would.
That's like as much meat.
No.
The end of the world if we tape it.
No, shouldn't be.
I'm not terribly worried about it pulling apart. We just need to make sure it doesn't suck dirt through that seam. Okay. Alright, we're good?
Okay. Yeah, I'm happy. Going pretty smooth through the 12-inch boot.
Yeah. Were you with us when we tried to lay 8-inch dual wall?
I think so.
2 years ago, maybe?
That sucked.
It popped apart and everything else. This will go better. This is more flexible.
Yeah.
But this is the only way.
But still, 12-inch boots.
But it's nice because we can use this feeder. That
Right.
feeder will not bend enough for this.
No.
This feeder makes it.
Money, dude.
If we had that bracket on the 8-inch boot, we probably could run the 8-inch boot. We don't.
This is the last of our 8-inch going in. And we're ending right there at the flag. Got a flag? Uh-oh. Don't let Bob see that.
I'm not happy, Bob.
Now we got to change boots and we'll move on to the next one. Now we got to dig up both pipes we just put in and connect them at the property line, as well as put in a couple of risers so they can inspect it every once in a while. It's always good to check up on your tile projects, make sure they're running water. Well, we got the tiles hooked back up, got our risers put in, now we're just bedding it. And then we got packed dirt around our risers, make sure they stay straight, and then we're out of here. Well, here's the final product. Doesn't look bad. Now we get to go home. Underlay, underlay, underlay. Here's a. You want a bacon sausage croissant from the gas station? You don't take it if you don't tell anybody I'm giving it to you. Okay? Deal?